did this initiative back in October, and the initiative is Feed the Community in Danny. So this thinking how we can help our community with the cost of living crisis and the cold weather setting in. It was vital for us to make sure that we made sure that our constituents and the residents of Haverfordwest got the resources that they needed to endure the winter. And we did the first one in October, and we called it Feed the Ward. The reason why it was Feed the Ward was it was only for our ward, just to try it out to see if it was viable. We had 47 for Feed the Ward, and we went back to Town Council and we delivered our findings to them, and they thought it was a great success, and they gave us funding of £850 to deliver this for another 5 months.
Hi there, we're Ben and Annie, and we're the bots at Haverfordwest.
Yeah, we were approached by Councillor Randall and Danielle with the idea, and it's always been something we've been sort of wanting to do and help out with the community, and it's a problem that we've seen and we understand. So when they approached us, we were happy to put sort of our time and efforts towards it. So they discussed how it was going to work, and so that we could cook for food without being out of pocket, so they'd cover the food costs, but we'd give our time to put together the food. So yeah, we were all with that from the start.
We believe in supporting Pembrokeshire farmers a lot. So this is Pembrokeshire beef. It's Pembrokeshire beef brisket that's been braised for a few hours, and then so it melts in your mouth, and obviously with the vegetables then. These are for people who can take them home, and then they can heat them up at home. So it's a lovely, nutritious meal for later on then.
We've also provided some warm food here as well, so people who are coming in and just want something warm. The sort of timing of this, we start at 3 o'clock, so the school kids are coming, then parents following on, and so it's just something warm, a nice snack before they go home, and then if they wish.
So these events are really important. Obviously, there's a lot of people out there, let's watch on ourselves, struggling in the cost of living crisis. This provides an opportunity for people to come in and talk to a lot of influential people who can help them in day-to-day life, also get some free food from us.
I'm Adam Hunt, I'm the lead runner of Cyngor Tref Hwlffordd, and I'm here today to help support Feed the Community. We bring a supply of stock with us to help support the community, such as bread, milk, bananas, eggs, anything that can help the community. It's free to us, then free.
My name is Jamie Dorney, and I work at Specsavers Haverfordwest. Today what we're doing is we're supporting our community here by doing a free education about telling people about their eyes and people what to do to take care of their eyes. And also, if people need glasses for adjustment like these, doing adjustments for them.
I'm Reverend Anthony Batterton. I am the minister of Tabernacle Congregational Church here in Haverfordwest, and some members of my church and I run the free clothing and hygiene products and non-perishable foodstuffs for people to take what they need. And we have a little donation box so that people feel that they want to give a little something, but there's no obligation to. And we were thrilled to take part in a community initiative like this because it's something that the town has really needed for some time. A lot of times people don't know where to get plugged in for community services. So the fact that we've got all these different groups represented here at this event really helps people get directed to the things they need.
Hi, my name's Henry Tufnell. I'm the Member of Parliament for South Pembrokeshire. Yeah, so I think it's really important to have a space whereby we can get lots of different organisations from in the community together, and to create that space for the community to be here together and to work with lots of these different organisations. Just been working with the VC Gallery, which does a lot of support in terms of isolation with the veterans, but lots of other organisations here today as well. But trying to bring that community together, and town and community councils are fantastic ways in which to facilitate that.
The only thing that has been paid for is the room and the food. Now, if you break it down, it's £170 per time, which equates for 5 months, £850. What this program is all about is bringing community spirit back into Hampton West.
So for me, one of the big things to look at was a lot of people had said to me, whenever we need help, we have to go to one place for one part of it, to another place for another, and then they just gave up because it was too much. We thought we'll try and get all of those people that they may need into one room. They can then come do all of the things they need there, having a chat with people, socialising, having a cup of tea, coffee, something to eat, and even make new friends. Some people have actually made friends here. And then each month, with the feedback, we would have liked to see this organisation here. We then contact that organisation, we manage to get them in, or other people have seen it, they're like, we'd love to be at your event, and then we kind of just built on it in that way.
Talk to your residents, just have a talk with them, talk to your local businesses, your organizations around your areas, and let them know what you're trying to do. As you've seen today, we've had a lot of people from a variety of different backgrounds here.